Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker Roll, and I'm back with another video. Now, as y'all can see from the title of this video, we got some things that I want to talk about. Obviously, we're gonna get into these packages and different things like that. But before we get into any of that, if you're new around here and you see that big button down below and it's still red, you're doing it all wrong. It should be gray. Come over here and subscribe to the channel. Join the movement, man. Join Bobby Sneaker World. The goal is still 5,000 supporters on this platform before the end of 2019. That is the goal. I can only do it one supporter at a time. So if you're new, subscribe. Tell a friend to come over here and join Bobby Sneaker World, man. Get all this fire content. And that's what I need. I need support, and I can only do it through you guys, man. For you guys that have been here for a while, man, I appreciate you coming out to check another one of my videos out, man. So before we get into these packages, I want to touch on this Drake Raptor 4, OVO 4. I don't know what is the official name of these are called, but y'all know what I'm talking about. The Raptor 4s with the Drake signature and the purple Jumpman on the tongue. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I got them. So, yes, I got mine on the sneakers app on the shock drop this morning, and I'm very excited about my purchase. I'm very happy with my purchase. I wasn't able to get the first release, what was that, last year sometime or whatever. I remember those dropped on when Finish Line first started their app or whatever, around that time sometime, I believe. And I didn't hit, I got that dang message for those. And I was cool with it. Like, once I seen it, it was so many people complaining about the quality, and you seen them at outlets and people returning them and doing all this, that, and the third. So many people loved them, so many people hated them. It was like a wash. It was like 50-50. So, cool. I was like, all right, well, the quality don't seem to be that great. They seem to be sitting around a little bit or whatever. Once they started sitting, I don't think I had the money, or I was probably buying other stuff at the time. I wasn't really tripping about it because of all of the negative things that I heard about the quality and the craftsmanship on the sneakers. So I was like, I'm good, whatever. But now, okay, fast forward to this morning. This morning, I was asleep. I didn't even go to bed last night till about 4 o'clock in the morning. So, 10 o'clock in the morning, I was knocked out still. But I woke up about 10:25, a little bit after that, close to 10:30. And you know, the first thing you do, even before you brush your teeth sometimes, is check your phone, see if you missed any calls, you know what I'm saying, see if you got any, you know what I'm saying, DMs, whatever the situation is, see what you missed over the night, see what's going on the interwebs. And I had a DM from my boy on Instagram. I'll put his Instagram up here on the screen, and he asked me if I hit. He didn't tell me like, oh, hurry up, go, whatever. He asked me if I hit on the shock drop on the Drake 4s. I was like, nah, man, I was asleep. I didn't know nothing about nothing. So obviously I go to the sneakers app to see what he's talking about. Mind you, this is at 10:30. I think the drop happened at 10 a.m. I don't know if this happened the same way that the Travis Scott's happened, where maybe the site got crowded or whatever, and people, like, you could still pick them up like 30 minutes after it dropped, because I have no idea. I was asleep. Anyway, long story short, I get to sneakers app, and the price, the 200, is still sitting there. I'm like, I'm bugging. Unless this just happened. And his message was like 15 minutes before I woke up and seen it. I was like, there's no way these are still available. I was like, all right, let me click the 200, and you know, when it's still available in your size, it automatically comes up to your information. So I hit purchase or whatever it says, and it put me in line for like 5 seconds, and then it got them. So I was like, damn, okay. I don't know if I'm lucky or whatever. Now, my big issue, my rant about this is, immediately, I didn't even post as soon as I got them. I wasn't like, oh my God, I gotta rush to IG and tell everybody I got them. I just scrolling through IG, see what everybody else was talking about. And there was a lot of got them, but it was also a lot of hate. People immediately started hating. Immediately. Oh, those is trash. Oh, those are the same sneakers. Oh, whatever, like the hype beast and blah blah blah. People, oh, those are bricks, which people love to.
I'm gonna yell brick really, really loud, okay? And they're gonna get annoyed.
Bricks! Brick! Brick! Everybody's not a reseller. Some people actually buy and wear their sneakers. The same people that already have the sneakers was yelling bricks. Same people that probably went for them and caught the L yelling bricks. The same. Everybody doesn't buy and sell. Even if I resell a lot of sneakers. This is another thing, y'all. There's nothing wrong with reselling sneakers. People that hate, like, don't get me wrong, I'm not the type of person, I don't have the funds to be able to buy 5 pairs of Yeezys at a time and sell them. I just don't, I can't do it. I don't have the resources to even have the connections to get 5 pairs of exclusive sneakers at one time to resell. But anyway, just because I think it's being smart, as much money as we spend on sneakers, be smart. If you can get 2 pair and it takes money off of your pair or pays for your pair, why wouldn't you do that? There's no, I don't never criticize a reseller. The only I hate when I want something and I can't get it because it's hype. I don't care if some, I like a lot of stuff that's hype, but even if it wasn't, I would buy it anyway. I like a lot of stuff that's not hype and I buy it anyway because I like it. Now I hate when somebody get 50 pairs of something and I couldn't get one. I'm a little tight about it, but I understand the game. I understand the game and I'm not mad about it. But anyway, so all these people yelling bricks and all these people yelling at, you have to understand, everybody didn't get the first release. Some people actually want this pair. Some people actually like, damn, I missed out on the first one and this pair is better. Now that's my other point I want to get into. Are these better? If so, then why? These are the same exact sneakers. There's only a slight difference. There's a purple Jumpman and Drake's signature, I don't know if it's his name or OVO or whatever, under the Jumpman. Only difference in the sneaker. But do I think that's better? Yes. Yes, not just because it's Drake, because of the purple Jumpman and the signature. That makes a big difference. Same people that say, man, those are the same sneakers. They're the same people that buy, me included, will buy all of the people buying Yeezys, slight variations in colors. You still buying multiple pairs. Still, like, you want to release, you buy a similar next release. Then you have all these Jordan 1s, all these red, black, and white variations, same exact thing. You'll buy multiple pairs. There's no big differences. But my thing is, whenever we start reviewing sneakers, oh, look at the purple hit, look at the gold hit, look at the white hit, look at this. That stuff matters. You know why? Because it pops when you're wearing it. That all black tongue on the original joint, it don't pop. You got a purple one, that little hit of purple matters because you can see it. It's better. The signature, you can see it, it's better. That's my opinion. Kill me in the comments if I'm wrong. I'm just saying. Now, if you already had the sneaker and you don't want to get it because you like, why would I spend 6 months later buy the same sneaker with just? I get that. I get that. If I had a DS pair of the originals, I would sell them shit so fast and get these because I think those are better just because it has a little bit more color to it. No matter how slight the color change is, I like the purple. And and then the hype beast in you is like, yeah, it has Drake. The thing about it is those were the originals. That's what I feel like the ones that released was like a B grade, in my opinion, because the ones that, this is what we were supposed to get the first time around. Now they released those first ones because they had to scrap because Drake left. So the people that are getting these are getting the originals. I think that's better. Y'all let me know in the comments. Hey, little guy. Alright, so I'm not going to talk anymore about the Drakes. Y'all let me know in the comments down below. I done rambled and ranted for probably 10 minutes on how I feel about that release and how I feel about resellers and everything else. Y'all let me know in the comments down below. But I'm also going to put a timestamp in this so y'all can skip. If y'all missed that first part, this because you know what I'm saying, I told y'all where to skip to. And we're gonna get into the review portion of this video. Now, if y'all watched the previous video, I told y'all that I ordered some stuff from, what is it called? Uniqlo in New York or New Jersey or wherever it is in the city. And it was some painters. I'll put a card up in the video somewhere showing y'all the previous video of my Basquiat and my herring pickups. And I told y'all there was two more shirts that I was gonna circle back and get because they didn't have my size at the time. They came back in stock right before the sale was over. So I'm gonna show y'all these real quick. Try not to make this video too long, and I'm gonna get right into the reviews of these sneakers. Now, this is a Keith Haring shirt. This is one of the other iconic caricatures or pictures or paintings or whatever, however you wanna. This is one of them, the symbols of his pieces. This is the crawling baby picture above, and the barking dog as well. They're both some of the most iconic, most popular and famous that he did. And this, I believe, is going to go with my Hyper Crimson Jordan 1s. I think this might be a similar color, and that's why I bought it. Let me see. Let me go see real quick if this match. Alright, so as y'all can see, like I said, you got your Keith Haring shirt here. And these do not match. But it is fine, because what it doesn't match with is this orangish, what is this called? Hyper Crimson or whatever it was called. But it does match with the ankle collar. So I may be able to finesse this enough. If I change these laces out, probably make them black, and it puts the focus more on the ankle collar and the black in the sneaker. But that's one thing about me. I'm not really big on being super matchy. So sometimes you gotta put like, oh, I see where he going with it. You know what I'm saying? That's just how I feel about it. Now, the other t-shirt that I got, same thing, crawling baby, different color. This is pink. Another dope tee. Another crawling baby tee. Same thing. Now, this matches these. My 77, what are these, 77s, right? 77 Blazers. That's gonna be a fit. That's two. Now, with this was an impulse buy. I can't even lie. I'm not gonna, I think I took an L on something that morning. What did I take an L? Hey, boy, come here. I took an L on something that morning. I don't know, I was talking to 5 Minute Sneaker TV. I can't even remember what sneakers I went for that morning, but I took an L on it. Whatever came out Thursday, if I think about it, I'll put a picture up. But whatever it is, I didn't get it. So my dumb ass went over to Supreme just to see if I can get through on something. I've only bought, this is my second t-shirt from Supreme. I'm not a big Supreme guy or anything like that. Got another box logo sticker, and it looked like 2 other stickers. But what I did get, I got the big red and chrome champion tee, size medium. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. The last t-shirt that I got, the Infinity from last season, size medium, which is the size I wear, fit mad big. So I was like, I don't know, man. And I guess the smalls sell out on the site really fast. So I got this Champion Supreme tee. I would have preferred to get a black one just so I could actually wear it more and get more wear out of it. Obviously I got things in my sneakers in here that I could finesse this with, but I prefer just the black and silver one, but wasn't available. So I did get this Supreme tee. It's pretty clean, nothing super, nothing spectacular, nothing crazy. You got Supreme with a huge Champion logo. You got the dogs barking in the back, and then you also have this size medium Champion tag at the bottom. So y'all let me know. Y'all let me know if I should keep this. If not, I'll let it go, man. Y'all let me know if anybody in the comments is interested in this. I'll let it go. Just DM me on Instagram. If not, I'll keep it and I'll wear it. If you see me wearing it in the video, obviously I didn't sell it. But anyway, my biggest thing that I wanted y'all to see the pickups and stuff like that, but I wanted to get y'all's opinion on the Drake 4s and all of the. It seemed like it was a lot of hate going on about people hitting on the OVOs for whatever reason. Y'all let me know in the comments down below. But I'm gonna get out of here because this video is probably 20 minutes long. I have no idea, but I love y'all. OVO!